It is a beautiful day today, and not just because the sun is out and I'm not working in a shop, I'm outside, but because we have 3 giant boxes coming from DN Solutions. Now, you might be wondering, why are there only 2 on that truck? Well, the third one is over there. Now, I'm super excited to show you guys these machines because one of them you've probably never seen before, and the other one is a total upgrade to what I used to have. So let's get all these machines in here. I am super excited to show you guys this stuff. Can you imagine if Christmas gifts were that hard to open? I mean, really, just ruin the whole day, wouldn't it? So, it is the next day at Dynamic Machine, and we have one of our machines powered up. This machine is going to be powered up in like a minute or 2, and I wanted to show you before the end of the day what we got. So, what machines did we get? We got the DVF 6500 5-axis mill from DN Solutions. Nothing too crazy there, but what is crazy is the control that came with it. So, this is the Siemens Cinemeric control. I, honest to God, have never really worked on one of these before, so I don't know how to use it yet. But I'm going to take the manuals home and study them and also get taught on how to use this from DN. So I'm kind of excited for this because a lot of people are always iffy on controls. Should they get it? Should they always just stick in their wheelhouse and not mix anything up? So I really want to document this whole journey I'm going to go on with this control for you so you can see what it took for me to learn this control and what capabilities it actually has. So you'll be right there along for the journey with me, if I said that right, on how this control works. Now, the first thing we're going to do with this machine is we're going to program a kinematics cube using SolidCam, and we're going to come out here with our laser system that I've shown in other videos, and we are going to perfectly calibrate this machine and make sure everything about it is smooth and great before we start making parts. Want to make sure this kind of machine is good before you just start firing off code and doing all that stuff. So that is what the game plan is for this. So the second machine we got here at Dynamic is the new DNX 2100. Now, what is this and why should you care? Well, this is a Capto style lathe, meaning it takes C6 Capto holders. Now, where this machine is honestly going to really excel in the industry is they basically took the SMX, got rid of the lower turret. You can get a steady rest if you want it, and they got rid of all the 5-axis stuff. Now, that sounds terrible, but in reality, I think I've seen 20 SMXs get sold out of Dynamic, probably 40. I don't even know how many they've sold. And I've never seen anyone honestly even use any of the 5-axis abilities of their machine. Chances are you probably won't use it. So why add that in the package if it's not needed, right? So this machine is gonna really take on the multitasking machining market. It is incredibly well priced. I can't say the price of it to the camera. I know it. God, that's so tempting. But I cannot unfortunately say the price of this machine. But if you look into it, it's ridiculously cheap compared to other mill-turn machines. So I'm sure it's going to do very well. First thing up on this machine is another SolidCam project. We're going to make a robot gripper. So it's going to do that. It's going to be one little thing that makes, you know, robots grip things. And that's it. That's what we're going to do with these machines. That's what's coming up in the future. And what else is there to say? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see what we're going to do with these things. I'm really going to walk you through kind of all the different learning curves of this machine and that machine, especially this machine because I feel like most of you think mill turns are way more complex than they really are. I think this is the easiest machine to work on in the industry, so I want to show you guys why I think that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, all that other YouTube good stuff, and yeah, have a good day.